The Canon XA50 kit is available for reservation by COMM 130 students here at UNC. The kit contains one Canon XA50 camera, one SD card reader, one power cable, one white card, miscellaneous items, and 2 batteries and a charger. Make sure to reserve a tripod along with your camera. To remove the tripod plate, make sure the latch is unlocked, then pull the release. To put the plate back, insert the opposite side and press down. Be sure to return the plate to the tripod before returning your gear. Screw the plate onto the bottom of the camera, making sure the arrow points to the lens. Attach the camera to the tripod. Make sure it is secure. To insert the battery, make sure the arrow is pointed up and slide it into place. To release the battery, push the release on the bottom of the camera and slide the battery out. To access the SD card, pull the switch on the left side of the camera. Make sure to return the SD card with the camera when you return your gear. Push the switch on the left side of the camera forward to turn the camera on. You're ready to record.